Good greetings and blessings and abundance to all of you wonderful souls. Kiara Dukas here. Welcome to All Things Health and Wealth. And today we are going to be discussing Bitcoin, where we're at, and XRP, and one other special coin that I believe has some huge potential for good returns. So anyways, guys, well, welcome to the show today. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. Thank you for helping me build my community. If you like the content I share with you and you want to hear further updates, please just hit the like, subscribe, and share button for me. I would really appreciate that, very much so. Also hit the bell notification so that you know when I post new videos. So guys, for today, what it is that we're looking at in Bitcoin is we have obviously found a bit of support, and we're looking really healthy on the weekly, and we're coming up, of course, to the end of the month, so we've got to take a cognizance on that. And yeah, I just wanted to share some really good things with you today and what we're doing. I just want to share something with you here quickly before I carry on. This is my tonic. This is a tonic I have every single day, and really delicious. It's packed with Synergy Organic superfoods and CBD oil, and absolutely gives me a precision to focus for my trading day. And I really absolutely love what I do and the supplements that I take. So you'll see a link for Synergy Organics in the description below today, so enjoy that. But right now, what I want to show you is what we're looking at from a Bitcoin perspective. So let's go and have a look here. Excuse me, guys, that's I didn't really want too much of a reflection, but it is what it is now. So let's just get involved here. In fact, let me show you on the screen. I think that will be much better. So what we're looking at here is, sorry guys, sometimes just things like this happen. It is daytime here, it's a bit cloudy and all kinds of things, but nonetheless, this video, let's stick to the point. Let's get to the trading chart. And as you can see here on our Bitcoin chart, this is the 4-hour chart. We've previously spoken about bouncing up. We've tried numerous times to test and break out of my purple box here. We broke it back down, and we found support on the ribbon here. So we're really looking very, very positive, and we broke back up into the purple box. So we're probably going to find some more consolidation within this level before we probably find a breakout back up. It seems as though the ribbon, of course, has flipped, which is a very bullish sign. We have broken out here, and we have retested now, and we have found support. This is my previous white line that I've shown you. If you go and take a look on my previous videos, you'll have a look. And it seems as though we are really starting to develop a bullish looking candle coming up and getting into the momentum of the energy. So let's have a look here quickly at the day chart. On the day chart, we're looking really, really, really much more healthier than we were looking previously. We as you can see, we broke below, we wicked below the moving the ribbon, and you see there we touched my line, and we made what almost looks like a bullish reverse candle. So we're looking healthy here so far, and what we want to do is we want to remain, and we want to look at breaking out of my purple box here, and definitely coming up and testing the top of this ribbon, and finding some support somewhere back above the purple box here. So that's really going to look very, very healthy. Let's have a look quickly at the week. I'd like to show you. I normally call the week a strong, because we are not weak, we are strong. Sorry guys, my charts are extremely jam-packed with lines and information, but this is how I love to trade. Oops, I moved my line, so I'll have to remove that. So what I was expressing here was that what we've seen is we've now bottomed out here on support on this purple block, which is 48.3k basically. Now what we've done is we've closed the weekly candle last night, the strongly candle, and it's strongly looking very bullish, and it engulfed last strong's previous bearish candle, and we're closed inside my purple box here, which is the 50k average mark. And what it is that we're going to look for this coming strong is hopefully a stronger bullish close, hopefully breaking through this with ease to this point, and we probably come right up to the 59-60k mark before we decide what we want to do next there. Let's just quickly touch the month. I don't want to go too far into the month, but the month is looking fantastic. It's pulled up above most of those purple boxes, and if we come up to the 59-60k mark, okay, look where that is. That would be somewhere around this block here. That means if we can close in a green candle, it might be very unlikely. Don't hold me to that. But if we can close in a green candle, somewhat green, we're either going to be looking at a doji or a bullish upward change momentum candle. And we will then see an extremely bullish run from there. Pretty much this is the long-term resistance line, so we're definitely going to be breaking some all-time highs sooner rather than later. So that's all fun and everything, but at the end of the day, we're all in for the long term with Bitcoin, and we're going to have a lot of fun. And if you invest today, you are going to thoroughly enjoy your returns over a longer period of time than just getting in and out the market for short profits. If you want to do that, you need to look at things like peer-to-peer trading and short ETF trading and things like that, day-to-day kinds of trading. And let's have a sip here. That gives me such power every day in every way. Okay, guys. So I promised you that we would take a look at the XRP chart. So let's have a quick look at the XRP chart. We won't stay here too long, but XRP, I hold quite a lot of XRP. It's one of my favorite cryptos, and I definitely see the fundamentals behind and the utility behind XRP or Ripple, and how its bullish momentum will come into place once the entire case has been completely just put behind us, if I could say that. So let's have a look at the XRP chart. All right, so this is our XRP chart, and oh gosh, so this is our 4-hour XRP chart. So we can see here we broke below our triangle here. We really took a drop when we had this really horrible drop, but immediately we pushed back up into my purple box. We had another fake out, and then we pushed right back up above the box, and then we broke back down to find some support 1, 2, 3, 4 times on the bottom of the box, where we found higher highs happening. So low, high, higher highs happening, and we continue to get higher highs and momentum here. So we broke back up from this box, and we broke up into the previous box, which then puts us back in alignment with that previous triangle there. But we obviously fell back down here, and we're kind of finding support on that same support level above, if I could say. It almost looks like a cup and handle pattern, actually, if we look at it. So here's the cup. Let me get my paintbrush so I can draw it for you. So here's the cup, and actually a handle pattern. So let's see what we do here and move going forward. Let's take a look at what it looks like on the day chart, just quick. on the day chart, we are also holding above the ribbons, and we're really looking great on the ribbons. So we're also looking like a small cup and handle pattern forming here. So yes, basically I believe we're probably looking for Ripple to come next levels back up to the 129, 130 mark, before we make a decision as to what can happen there. And if we can break above here and break these two highs, then we shall of course see a new higher high. And then essentially what we're looking for is a break through the box up to the next purple box, and then obviously a level of resistance because of the highs back here, and then which is quite major, and which would be the top of that triangle that I drew here. So we'll be hunting for those highs, and then that will take us, of course, up to the 165 to 170 mark. So that's going to be quite fun. Now, guys, well, what I have to say to you is that there is a third and final coin that I really wanted to share with you. I have bought myself some of it, and I actually got my brother to purchase some of it yesterday. So I'm really excited about this crypto. It has a lot of utility as well, and a lot of potential for the short to medium term, I would say. Let's see where it goes long term. But as we know, some cryptos you buy and you sell pretty much straight after. Some you buy and hold medium term, and some you buy and hold for long term. So Ripple, Bitcoin, Ethereum, those pretty much would be, for me, in my portfolio, long term. Please note that none of what I'm giving you here is financial advice. So these are just things that I've personally invested in, and I've seen pretty great returns from it. And I'm just reaccumulating on the dips, and that should be where you're accumulating too. But if you're on crypto just yet, please go down below in the comments and in the contents section of this video. You will find certain links that will take you to pretty much all the exchanges that I use and platforms that I use. And I actually use quite a bit more than that, but those are just the basic ones that can help you really set up and start your own personal crypto portfolio. And just remember, by holding crypto, you're becoming your own bank. There's no intermediary other than the company or the crypto itself. You are the custodian of your own finances, which means that you can use it and make more money from it and put it in places that will return you more money through staking pools, launch pools, farming, whatever you want to do. We'll speak about in another video. But right now, let's have a look at the coin. What do you think it is, guys? What do you think it is? I'm going to suspend you for now. Okay, let's have a look at, drumroll please, SLP, Slow Love Potion. Okay, guys, now this is an interesting token. We can see, let's actually start at the highest time frame. That might just give us a little bit of perspective. So let's go look on the weekly chart here, what we've done on the weekly chart. Now, you've seen how many times I've pulled that up. Currently, we are sitting at 0.03 cents. We had a high of 0.42 cents. So that's pretty much like a 10... So pretty much like a 15x below, but with good momentum from Bitcoin and of course the altcoin space. We shall certainly see this crypto really break back up from these crazy lows. And this is what I mean by buying the dip. Look at this. Look at how low it fell. So if you bought here and you sold here, you would have made money. If you bought here and it's very likely going to come up, and you're going to sell somewhere here, sell some here and leave some to ride up a little bit. That's what's going to happen. So what we're looking for at the end of the day is actually, how do we maximize our profit in crypto? So this crypto, if I have to say to you, let's do a little measuring tool from here to the top here. Okay, just to the top. We're looking at a 1,160 8% gain on your money. Are you for real, guys? Yes, I am for real. I can tell you something right now, that this token is definitely way undersold. And even if we had to fall a little bit more down here, that's okay. We're still under this line here. So we need to really, what we need to see here from Slow Love Potion is really to break back up above the, let's call it the 36 level, which would then take us back inside of the ribbon. And if we can find some supports on this line and the ribbon, will probably come up, and then we've got major resistance through this area. But once we've broken through that area, it's pretty much clear skies until like this kind of area again, and then way back up here. So this coin has massive potential to really break back up from its extreme pressured lows. So with all that being said, my wonderful, absolutely all things health and wealth community, I love you very much. Really appreciate you and your time for taking your time out to watch this video today. I hope you found really good sound sharing knowledge here for yourself, and I hope that you can take it and do with it what you need to do. But let's go out and have some fun. Let's go get ourselves healthy, stay on track. This stuff helps me keep my mind focused in crypto, in finances, in my businesses, in learning a lot about this space. So thank you for taking part with me. Thank you for sharing health. If you want to know more about health and wealth and how to really look after yourself and manage yourself and your life, then hit me in the comments below and let's do this together. Love you lots. Take care. Yummy.